Welcome mga Ka-Bisdak. This time we are going to unbox the new Godox TT685 V860 Fuji. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, silica gel. We have the manual for the TT685 for Fuji, the warranty card, and the quality control pass. Of course, the flash unit itself is inside this protective pouch. Also, the stand for the TT685 flash. The flash port sink, and battery pack slot, and the battery storage. So, kailangan mo lang ng 4 na AA battery to power this up. Okay, so this time mga Ka-Bisdak, this is the unboxing of the new Godox V860 version 2 for Fuji. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. Okay. We have the flash unit. Inside this protective case, meron din tayong stand. Nakapack pa yun. Battery, charger, and the power cord. Okay. And we also have this manual for the flash. Has English and Chinese language, and of course there's a warranty card. £2, 80, 360, 1, charging different port.
drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op?
So here's the comparison between TT685 and the V860. Mapapansin nyo, pareho lang siya ng form factor. Sa weight, pareho lang yung build nya. Okay. Flash heads, so meron lang silang difference sa charging port. For TT685 meron siya ditong battery pack slot sa unahan here, and sa V860 wala naman siyang extended battery pack capability. So there's a difference also sa battery slot. For V860, so kailangan meron siyang sariling battery pack, while dun sa TT685 kailangan niya ng 4 na rechargeable battery. So also sa performance may difference sila. Like for V860, kaya niya mag-recycle ng flash at full power around 1.5 seconds, while the Godox TT685, I think flash recycle time is 2 to 3 seconds. Okay. Let's have a closer look. Okay. So that's it.
Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm in the island on a Wednesday, laid back, coolin', kicking feet up like a sensei. Juju hit my line like what you want, babe. Hit her with the script like working out with Hervey. No way, I'm at the gym, you at the gym. It's a small world, I might just have to link with you and him. Look up at this girl like, let me get my words right. Cause if she catch me with you, then we going down like Suge Knight. I got a plan, you take your bag like that, then we gon' hit that gas. Make a U-turn 100 miles on the 90, gotta pray to God that we just do not crash. Okay, acting no C like I just tried. Ayy, shorty to school to my rock, and I'm not talking about Jack Black. Ayy, what you do when you doing something you not supposed to do? Thinking it's gon' shield the one you love like they bulletproof. Just like Paul Pierce, all lie when they know the truth. Ayy, I'll cry in the end when she leave and she take your juice. Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam and a drop. Voices in my head and telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op?